Today, I'm going to teach you the front post double crochet, which is a very beautiful stitch and gives a really nice texture to our piece. It's a beautiful, delicate detail that you can use for all kinds of projects, including winter projects. Like this little hat I'm making here, I'm using it as the finishing touch on the piece and it looks perfect. To make this stitch here, we're going to take our yarn and yarn over. The hook goes into the base stitch here, always from the front to the back. You're going to bring the whole hook to the back of the stitch and then come back to the front. The hook will be visible here at the back of the piece. I'm going to pull the yarn through here again. I'll form this little X here and then just pull the yarn, taking off 2 loops from the hook and then 2 more. This is the front post double crochet stitch. You can make it with a base of front post double crochet stitches like I'm doing here, or you can do it on a base of regular double crochet stitches too, so you can practice the stitch. Normally, to practice this stitch even better, come learn this full project with me through my Crochet Club subscription. There you'll learn how to make this little hat, a crochet beret, step by step. Wonderful, beautiful, perfect for you to wear, give as a gift, or even sell. If you like this video, this super cool tip I brought to share with you, subscribe to the channel. Leave a really nice comment here, and now you also have the option to become a member to get access to exclusive benefits, including some videos that are only for channel members. Here's a recommendation for another video for you to watch, and I want to know what kind of project you'd like to learn to make. Leave it here in the comments so I can cover it in a future lesson for you. Big hug, thank you so much for all the love, and see you next time.